Hello guys, buongiorno! I am so happy for the first time I'm announcing a new kind of workshop which goes to Venice, Florence and Tuscany. You heard this right. Some of the most iconic places in Europe. People that went to my Paris workshop absolutely loved it, and now they want to go to Italy. So we're going to start off in Venice. It's a one-week workshop. We start off in Venice for a couple of days. We're going to do a lot of sunrise and sunset. It's going to be very intense. We're going to be close to the San Marco Plaza. We're going to take the photos together. We're going to retouch them together. Then we're going to take a train during the midweek to Florence. And same thing in Florence, we're going to shoot the Duomo, the overall city, the bridge, all the amazing things that there is to shoot in Florence. This includes, of course, amazing food. Every night we have a dinner together. I try to pick really good restaurants which are not like tourist traps. So it's also a whole food experience. Last but not least, then we take a bus and we go to San Quirico d'Arcia. San Quirico d'Arcia is the heart of Tuscany. If you were to locate the best shoots to take in Tuscany, they're all around that small village, which is breathtaking. We're going to stay there for a couple of days and get some of the best that Tuscany has to offer, and some of the best wine and the best food also. It's going to be very intense. I'm going to be with you all the time. You're going to get iconic shots. I can't wait to see you in Italy. Join me next year in Italy. You're going to love it. It's limited to only 10 people and it books really fast. So come and join me now.